Miro is a digital whiteboard platform designed for real-time collaboration. It's perfect for brainstorming sessions, team meetings, and project planning activities. When you first open Miro, you'll see the board's interface where you can create new boards or choose from various templates to get started quickly. The core concept of Miro is the infinite canvas. Unlike traditional documents, you have unlimited space to organize your ideas, thoughts, and visual elements in any direction. Miro provides essential tools for creating and editing content. The basic toolkit includes selection, text, sticky notes, shapes, connectors, and drawing tools. Frames are essential for organizing content on your board. They help separate different topics, sections, or project phases, making your workspace more structured and easier to navigate. Recent updates have simplified Miro's user interface, making it more accessible for beginners. The AI button is now prominently featured in the toolbar, and navigation has been streamlined for better user experience. With these basics mastered, you're ready to start creating and collaborating on Miro boards. The platform's intuitive design and powerful features make it an excellent choice for visual collaboration and project management. Miro provides powerful templates and collaboration features that transform how teams work together. These tools streamline workflows and enhance team productivity. Miro offers a comprehensive library of pre-built templates designed for various use cases. These templates provide structured frameworks that teams can immediately use without starting from scratch. Project planning templates help teams organize goals, resources, and timelines in a visual format. These structured layouts ensure nothing important gets overlooked during project setup. Agile workflow templates support iterative development processes. Teams can organize tasks into now, next, and later columns, making sprint planning and backlog management more efficient. Beyond templates, Miro excels at real-time collaboration. Multiple team members can work simultaneously on the same board, with changes appearing instantly for everyone. Miro includes powerful engagement tools like voting, polls, and alignment scales. These features help teams make decisions collectively and gather feedback efficiently during workshops and meetings. Miro seamlessly integrates with popular productivity tools like Slack, Jira, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams. These integrations create unified workflows that connect your whiteboard work with existing business processes. Miro supports both synchronous and asynchronous collaboration, making it perfect for remote teams across different time zones. Team members can contribute when convenient while maintaining project continuity and momentum.